Imagine waking up to the breathtaking beauty of Prince Edward Island, Canada every day. Imagine the opportunity to build a rewarding career in a place known for its vibrant culture, scenic landscapes, and warm, welcoming people. That dream can become a reality today with the first International Recruitment Mission of Prince Edward Island happening in Dubai this coming February 2024. Prince Edward Island is not just a beautiful place to live, it's a province committed to supporting those who choose to call it home. The local employers and the PEI immigration have joined forces to address labor needs and skill shortages, and they are making strides to ensure a smooth and easy process for hiring and work permit for international workers. The International Recruitment Event, a first for Prince Edward Island in 2024, is a golden opportunity to connect directly with Canadian employers. The event is open to both in-person and online participation. It's a simple process. Just complete the online registration for the event with your resume or CV. The best part, the registration process is free and open for all nationalities. Now you might be wondering, what fields are they hiring for? Well, the employers are looking to fill various roles in industries like IT, healthcare, hospitality, construction, manufacturing, and the trucking industry. Whether you're a web developer, a registered nurse, a carpenter, a cook, a truck driver, or a manufacturing worker, there is a place for you in Prince Edward Island. To register, all you need to do is visit the official website of Prince Edward Island Immigration, select your occupation from the list based on your skills and experience, enter your basic details, and voila, your registration is complete. It's as simple as that. So why wait? This is a golden opportunity to work and settle in Prince Edward Island, a place that offers not just a job but a fulfilling life in a supportive community surrounded by natural beauty. Remember, your dream career in Prince Edward Island is waiting for you. Take the first step towards that dream today. The International Recruitment Event in Dubai 2024 is your gateway to a brighter future in Prince Edward Island, Canada. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Seize it today.